It's not every day a major player like DJI quietly works on something completely new. DJI's long-rumored 360 camera has finally stepped out of the shadows. And no, this isn't another vague whisper from the rumor mill. This time, we've got actual FCC images, screenshots from the user manual, and enough details to get genuinely excited. The first sign of this project popped up in October, but now, well-known leakers Hakasushi and Igor Bogdanov have surfaced a goldmine of content straight from DJI's FCC filings. These aren't grainy photos either. We're talking sharp testing images that show off a compact design, similar to the GoPro Max, with large, rounded lenses ready for immersive 360-degree capture. Here's where it gets really interesting. Teardown shots reveal the Osmo 360 uses a clever 45-degree mirror trick, just like the Insta360 X3. This mirror redirects light to the sensor, saving space and allowing DJI to fit powerful internals into a sleek body. It's high-tech camera Tetris. The user manual confirms full DJI Mimo app integration, a 1950 mAh battery, same as the Osmo Action 5 Pro, 30-watt USB-C charging, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and both physical and touchscreen controls. There's also support for a range of accessories. But, plot twist, tipster Jasper Ellens says there's no sign of retail movement yet. No prototypes, no reseller chatter. With trade tensions still looming, this camera might be stuck in limbo. Still, this is DJI's clearest signal yet. They're gunning for the 360 space. Now the big question, are they too late? Let's talk about other specs and features. DJI is already a big player in the action camera realm, and with the introduction of 360 cameras, DJI is likely to add an immersive capturing experience to its impressive lineup, according to the newly leaked schematics and renderings. We get a decent idea of what the upcoming action camera from DJI will look like. Also, we have found some more intriguing details about the Osmo 360, which surely seems bad news for the delayed GoPro Max 2. So, in our video today, we will talk about the design, give you an overall idea about the specifications. Our photo rumors shared the first details about the Osmo 360 OMX, along with a detailed illustration of the camera. Later on, Hakushi, who had previously made precise size comparisons of unreleased DJI drones, visualized the camera based on leaked patterns and sketches from the image. We can see the dual-lens design with a compact form factor and could look like the unreleased GoPro Max 2, to give you a more precise idea. Hakushi also shared a size comparison with the Insta360 X4 and current DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro. The form factor looks quite ideal. Since most of us will be using it on the move, there will be a front-facing display to show what's being captured. You will also find a simple control interface at the front, which appears to be quick settings. The power button remains on one side, as we have seen on regular Osmo action cameras. But seeing the rendered image, I felt like the screen should have been a bit larger for better viewing. Besides, I see no mounting hook from the images, which is a bummer. The magic stick from Insta360 is what makes their 360 camera so exciting. The good thing is that DJI kept the action camera much more compact than most 360 cameras available in the market. However, the schematics also revealed two antennas on both sides, which shows DJI is focused on delivering stable wireless connectivity for seamless file transfer, and also for streaming. Further details about the Osmo 360 were shared by photo rumors as they happened to dig out the FCC listing for the camera. It gives us an idea of when this new 360 camera might hit the market. The Osmo 360 is referred to as the OQ1, and you can see the patent has been filled by SZ-DJI Osmo Technologies. The camera has already been tested within the first week of September. Most importantly, we all know that the FCC listing appears just before the product is about to launch. And since the Osmo 360 has already got the issue date, that means the release date is pretty near. We expect this camera to be released ahead of the holiday shopping season. At the end of November, DJI has produced great quality cameras over the years. Whether it's for their drones or action cameras themselves, we believe this new 360 action camera from DJI will also be a great deal, making the competitors run for their money. Would you prefer a 360 action camera from DJI over Insta360 or GoPro? What features do you expect from the Osmo 360 Throw all your thoughts in the comments. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel to keep yourself updated with all the latest tech news. DJI's Osmo Pocket series has long been a go-to for vloggers, travel creators, and everyday filmmakers who want cinematic quality in a compact, easy-to-use package. But while previous models offered solid, incremental upgrades, the upcoming DJI Pocket 4 is rumored to be a serious leap forward, potentially redefining what a pocket-sized camera can do. If early leaks are to be believed, the Pocket 4 won't just be a minor refresh. Instead, it could deliver meaningful changes across design, performance, image quality, and usability. Here's everything we know so far about what might be DJI's most powerful pocket yet: a new design with a bigger screen. One of the standout rumors centers around the design. The DJI Osmo Pocket 4 is rumored to feature a larger screen, improved 1-inch sensor, 4K 240 FPS recording, better autofocus, and AI-enhanced features. It aims to deliver professional-grade performance for vloggers, travelers, and creators seeking cutting-edge video quality in a compact design. One of the most noticeable changes expected for the DJI Pocket 4 is its size and design. Reports indicate that it will have a slightly larger frame and weighing 190 grams. This increase in size could be to accommodate a larger 2.5-inch rotating touchscreen, which would be a step up from the 2-inch display on the Pocket 3. The new screen is rumored to offer a 480x800 resolution with 800 nits of brightness. This means better visibility in bright outdoor conditions, making it easier for users to frame shots and navigate menus. Improved button placement and a more ergonomic grip texture are also anticipated, which should make it more comfortable to hold and operate for extended shooting sessions. The DJI Pocket 4 is expected to feature a 1-inch CMOS sensor with a 20mm f2.0 lens, promising sharper image quality and better low-light performance. The ISO range could span from 6,400 for video and up to 16,000 for stills, enabling enhanced performance in challenging lighting conditions. Color fidelity is set to improve with 10-bit color depth, D-Log-M and HDR recording, offering greater flexibility for color grading and post-production. Autofocus upgrades may include phase detection and eye tracking, reducing focus hunting issues from the Pocket 3. A new processor is rumored to handle larger data rates, enhanced computational photography, and real-time HDR previews, streamlining content creation for vloggers and creators who prioritize speed and quality. The DJI Pocket 4 is expected to introduce a host of smart features aimed at enhancing content creation. A key upgrade is the rumored ActiveTrack 7.0, which could combine phase detection and eye tracking for more accurate subject tracking. This would ensure smoother, more reliable focus on fast-moving subjects, making it ideal for vloggers and action shooters. The gimbal stabilization system is also rumored to receive a significant boost. By blending mechanical stabilization with advanced electronic stabilization algorithms, the Pocket 4 could deliver ultra-smooth footage, even in high-motion scenarios like action sports or fast pans. The DJI Pocket 4 is rumored to deliver game-changing performance, highlighted by 4K video at 240 FPS, doubling the slow-motion capability of the Pocket 3. Its 1-inch sensor promises sharper details, better low-light performance, and enhanced dynamic range. These improvements position the Pocket 4 as a must-have tool for creators seeking cinematic quality, precision focus, and faster workflows. Battery life and charging battery life is a crucial aspect of handheld cameras, and the DJI Pocket 4 is rumored to offer significant improvements. A more efficient power management system could enable longer recording sessions, even with a larger screen and more powerful processor. Fast charging is another key upgrade. Reports suggest the Pocket 4 will support 25-minute full charging using DJI's PD charger, a notable improvement over the 32-minute charge time of the Pocket 3. While the exact battery capacity remains unconfirmed, it's expected to exceed the Pocket 3's 300 mAh battery. Heat management is also rumored to improve, allowing for extended recording without overheating. This would be a game-changer for creators filming for long periods or in hot conditions. The DJI Pocket 4 is expected to launch in late 2026 or early 2027, following DJI's 3-year release cycle. Priced at $699 for the standard version and $799 for the Creator Combo, it marks a price increase from the Pocket 3. However, its enhanced features like a larger screen, better stabilization, and improved image processing position it as a premium tool for serious creators. Casual users may prefer the Pocket 3. Since these details are based on leaks and rumors, it's wise to wait for DJI's official announcement before making any decisions. But if even half of the rumored features come true, the Pocket 4 could be a game-changer for portable video production. What features are you most excited about for the DJI Pocket 4? Let us know in the comments below.